Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the most underrated, in my opinion, Louis Vuitton bag, and it's called the Boulogne. It is a redesign of an older style with the same name that was discontinued years ago, and in my opinion this is a very successful redesign, and this bag is better than the original. This bag is in monogram canvas and with black leather trim. As we all know, it comes in vachetta as well, but in my opinion the black leather will be more carefree, and that's why I chose this particular version. As you can see, it has 4 leather details in the corners. One of the leather corners has Louis Vuitton Paris written on it. I hope you guys can see this. I think it's a cute detail. It has the black leather shoulder strap that also becomes a crossbody strap as it is adjustable. And also this very cool chain that doubles as a shoulder strap as well. It has these 2 oversized zippers that are pretty smooth. And I put my panda Prada charm on there. Guys, tell me if you think this looks cute or not. So guys, the first time I saw this bag, I saw it online. And actually, for some reason, I thought it would be bigger in real life than what it is. And online at that time, when it first came out, it was always sold out. So I went to Louis Vuitton boutique inside Bloomingdale's in Manhattan, and they had one of them. So when I saw it in real life and I saw that it's smaller than what I had expected, I actually loved it so much more. So guys, I'm inserting the screenshot from Louis Vuitton website with all the information and the dimensions of this bag. And this is what the bag looks like without the charm. It's small, it's cute, but it fits so much. Like, it fits all the daily necessities, and I never run out of room in this bag. And I will show you later what fits and also some mod shots of how it looks on. And I think this bag is pretty practical. It's like a daily staple. This is my go-to bag, and I've been wearing it on a daily basis for the past several months. So guys, I purchased this bag in December 2021, right before the most recent price increase, for $21.80 plus tax, and right now it is available on Louis Vuitton website for $23.70, so it went up by $190. And now to the pros and cons. First pro of this bag is how lightweight it is, and second pro is the size. It is small, but it fits a lot, so it's not like a tiny bag, but it's a very practical size if you still want to have a small bag that's useful. The third pro is the multiple ways you can use it. Like I said, you can wear it on the shoulder with the chain, you can wear it on the shoulder with a leather strap, you can wear it crossbody, and you can remove both straps and just wear it as a clutch, or you can have it as a clutch with the chain. I'm yet to discover any cons of this bag. I honestly cannot think of anything. And being my daily used bag for several months now, I don't really see any signs of wear and tear. The corners, the leather still looks perfect, and the canvas looks perfect. I guess I can see a little bit of scratching on the zipper and the metal hardware, but the hardware still looks shiny and nice. So now I will show you some mod shots and all the different ways you can wear this bag. My favorite way of using this bag is using this chain as a shoulder strap. What do you guys think? I think this is such a cute way of wearing it. And now I'm wearing it as a clutch. The chain can be removed to wear this as a clutch with no chain, or left for an easy transition to a shoulder bag. And this is what the longest strap length looks like on the shoulder and crossbody. For the reference, I'm 5'3". The strap can then be adjusted from the longest to the medium length, and then to the shortest length. Here I'm wearing it on the shortest setting. And here the shoulder strap is on the medium setting. So now I will show you what fits in this bag. How cute is this charm? And let's take a closer look at the bag itself. So inside the bag we have one side pocket, and the lining is in fabric. And now let's see what fits. I'm gonna start with my makeup case. I have lipstick, tissue paper, lip gloss, and some receipts inside. My water bottle, my sunglasses. These are Gucci. I really like them. My Louis Vuitton zippy wallet. And my round coin purse that I use as a keychain. Let's put the keys inside. This mirror. My car keys. iPhone. And as you can see, it all fits. The bag is a bit misshapen now, so I would definitely try not to stuff it like this. So let me take stuff out and start over. My makeup case, my sunglasses, zippy wallet, my coin purse, iPhone, mirror, my car keys, and my AirPods. As you can see, everything fits pretty well. So if you want to bring a water bottle, it's definitely gonna be a trade-off. You're gonna have to leave something at home. I will switch out my sunglasses for the water bottle. And as you can see, it fits. The bag is now much heavier with the water bottle inside. So I have to sacrifice bringing sunglasses, or let's say a makeup case, if I wanted to bring a water bottle with me. So guys, in conclusion, I absolutely love this bag. There are so many pros and no cons so far for me. I've been wanting a classic monogram bag from Louis Vuitton for a while now, but wasn't really attracted to any available styles until I saw the Boulogne. I love the shape and size of this bag, the chain and the three-way adjustable leather strap. Louis Vuitton succeeded in making this new version of Boulogne more modern in my opinion. I love the chain and the fact that it is a decorative detail that also doubles as a strap. The length of it is perfect for shoulder wear, and I love the way it fits under my arm. So guys, the only other Louis Vuitton bag I have at the moment is my old multicolor black Alma from Murakami collection, and I hesitated to get another bag in Monogram because of the vachetta. My Alma has pretty noticeable stains, and as much as I love that bag, I don't really wear it. But I definitely want to pull it out of my closet at some point and make a video about it. So guys, if you are interested in seeing that bag, let me know down in the comments below, and maybe I'll make a separate video about that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful. Again, I would suggest if you're interested in this bag, going to the boutique to try it on. They are also readily available online. And in my opinion, it's definitely worth it. Guys, please let me know down in the comments below if you are interested in this bag. Do you guys think it's a cute bag? Would you ever consider buying it? Or is it not for you? So guys, if you did enjoy this video and you found the information in this video useful, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye! Vocal fry. Vocal fry. And now I will show you, So now I will show you, So now I will show you, So now look at